Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, we are doing the last collection of the I Heart Revolution and Disney collab. So we are going in with Beauty and the Beast today, which I've really enjoyed creating looks for you guys. It's giving me confidence to really push myself to creating these looks as well. So if you guys want to see more looks from me, then comment down below because I'll be happy to. I enjoy creating them as well. So without further ado, let's get into the video. But before we do, go and grab that cuppa, give this a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Oh, and another thing, I am announcing the winner of the lashes tonight. I haven't had a chance to do it, which I'm really sorry. I've had quite a few people message me. I haven't forgotten. I'm going to announce the winner tonight on my Instagram, so keep posted over there. And if you want to, there's still time to enter, so if you just click the card here and go check out how to enter the giveaway, then yeah, just do that, and then yeah, hopefully we'll announce the winner later. If I don't do it today, I promise I'll do it tomorrow. Honestly, I'm really bad. I've got so much going on that I start one thing, then I don't end up start doing another thing, and then I forget about that. That's how it is at the minute, but you have to excuse me. Hey, I'm just a mama winging it, so this is all just, you know, having a bit of fun, but I promise I will get the giveaway winner announced. If it's not tonight, it'll definitely be tomorrow. So if you haven't entered, go and enter, because you could be with a chance of winning the eyelashes, guys. So let's dive into Beauty and the Beast. Okay, so we've got the lovely face palette, and obviously this is red, the best save the best till last, and in here we've got the eyeshadows, and then we've got the 3 blushes and the 3 highlighters, and this, as the others, is £15, so it's a really good deal to get 18 eyeshadows as well as 3 highlighters and 3 blushes. It is a bit of a bargain for £15. To tell you the truth, I Heart Revolution, well, Revolution is really on point at the minute, and the eyeshadows are fantastic. You guys have been loving them over on Instagram, and I'm so grateful for all the love and support that I'm getting over there at the minute. Honestly, I'm just really overwhelmed. So yeah, let's dive into creating something with this. I don't know what we're gonna do, but it's gonna be something red, obviously. Red and gold, I think. We'll do red and gold. Let me just get my mirror. And today I'm using Fairest of Them All, my Spectrum Collections mirror, a bit dirty. And then I'm using the Cruella de Vil brushes from Spectrums as well. So red, we've got to keep it up with the theme, haven't we? Honestly, I think I've got every colour brush you could imagine. I am obsessed with makeup brushes. So yeah. Right then, let's dive in to creating a look. So we're going to go in with Rose on the crease, and Rose is a red, obviously. So there you go. Just learn, instead of tapping it, one thing to do is to press it onto your hand, and apparently that doesn't actually get rid, it just pushes the eyeshadow into the brush so that you get more of your product rather than just tapping it off and then it all blowing away everywhere. That was a handy tip that I learned from, I think her name's Georgia Rose, and she was on the Spectrums Insta stories yesterday. So thanks for the tip. I'm just going to go in and just apply this here. Okay, that's a gorgeous colour, isn't it? I'm just going to take a blending brush and just blend that out a little bit. That is a stunning red, isn't it? It's gorgeous. And do you know what? It actually worked. And apologies if you can hear my son. He's on the Xbox, honestly, driving me insane. I'll be glad when we move to our new home that I'll be hopefully have something away from where they got their Xboxes, so you guys can't hear. But hey, what can I do? Kids say. Then next up, gonna go in with Library there, and we're gonna put that in the crease as well. Just clean my brushes again. So I've gone in with Library, and I started in the crease, but then I've just put it on the outer corners as well. Then I'm going to go in with Ballroom, which is this one. So that's that. I'm just going to apply that on the lid. Then I'm going to go in with Lumiere. No, I'm going to go in with Beauty, that yellow there, and I'm going to put that just in the middle of my lid. Okay, and I've just gone in with Lumiere into the tear duct, which is that one there as well. Well, you need to finish it off, mister. That was the deal yesterday before you went back on that. So you kind of hung yourself there, haven't you? I'm just going to go in with Lumiere and then put that into top of the highlight.
Half an hour later.
Giddy! Yeah. Shut the door. I'm doing a video. Okay, so what are you thinking? I feel like I've done this one wrong. Look alright.
Bye.
And then I'm going to go with a bit of Lumiere and I'll go into the bottom. Oh my god, I feel like I've ruined this one. Sorry guys. Anyway, that's what the look we've come up with. I hope that looks okay. Let's get some mascara on. Going in with the Dark Matter from Spectrums, obviously. So that's mascara on. Then we're going to go in with the lashes. So here's the lashes. Put a little bit of glue, and then I will go offline and put them on because you don't want to see me put lashes on. Okay, so next we're going to go and put a bit of blusher, and I think we'll go in with a little bit of something there and Maurice. I'm going to take the A05 brush from the Cruella de Vil. That. And then we'll go in with some highlight. This highlighter as well, which is there. Looks a bit too white. Let's give it a try. Oh wow. Okay, that's a nice glow. It looks a bit chalky, but when you apply it, it's actually quite nice. Okay, so I quickly went offline and I put the lashes on. They are gorgeous. These are beautiful ones. Okay, and then I have got a eyeliner in the shade Precious, which is a unique one. It's an old one as well. I just thought it goes really well. So just give me 2 seconds and okay, so I've gone in with a bit of gold eyeliner. You can't really see it, can you? Okay, so we've got a bit of gold eyeliner and that's that. The highlighter's cute. I'm just thinking maybe I just might add one of these highlighters. Be our guest. I like the look of that one. Oh, that's highlighter, isn't it? And then last but not least, we're going to go in with the lip topper. That's so cool. It's doing it with this one as well. Just look at this now. Wait, pause it back again. I just love that. Anyway, I feel like I haven't done a good job with today's one. I'm really sorry, guys. I don't know what it is. I think I was just a little bit nervous with using the colours. I think I was just a little bit nervous to use the colours, but we've done it. We've created the look, and I think... Okay guys, so here is the final look. What do you think? Oh god, it's been a crazy day today. Honestly, I haven't stopped today. I literally got up, went for a run. I did 3 miles, managed to get 2 sprints done out of 10 because my knee has decided to play up. Then I came back, went to the supermarket, got my shop in to do some food prepping in a bit, then got back, started emptying out the garage and the back shed that we've got loads of stuff in that we don't need, and that's all sorted. And then I got the food on with the slow cooker, and then I'm recording this, which I am now going to go and rush off and get it edited so it's up for you guys to see right now. And yeah, that's what my day's been like. And then I'm just going to finish off recording a few more videos for the rest of next week because it's going to be busy. And yeah, and then like I said, I am going to announce the winner either tonight or first thing tomorrow, something tomorrow. Maybe in fact, I'll do it tomorrow so we can get some more guys to enter. So if you haven't entered, then go and enter. Just go back and find the first princess video, which is the Cinderella one, and that's where the giveaway details are all in. I'll leave the link down below as well so you can go and check it out, and then I'll leave a card above. I think I've done that already, but I'll leave it again so you guys can go and check that out. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like this look. This is a fantastic collection. Honestly, I've enjoyed creating looks, and you know what, if these are really cute Christmas present ideas, so once they come back in stock, you should go and get your hands on them because I'm sure they're going to come back in stock anytime soon, and you need to go and get your hands on them. My favourite one I'd probably say was the Princess and the Frog, the one I did yesterday. Go and check that. No, not yesterday, I did it on Friday, so go and check that look out. I really enjoyed that, and you guys loved that one the most as well. But I did enjoy creating Cinderella's one too. So yeah, like I said, go and check them out and then hopefully get notified for when they come back in stock because they will be back in stock. And that's it guys. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you all tomorrow for another day on Beauty and the Kids. Bye.